Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm your pal Cal, and I got sent something kind of cool today. There's an awesome member of the community by the name of Zombie Joe. Zombie Joe is the guy behind the zombie themes on the Pineapple Pager by Hak5, and the zombie themes are just phenomenal. You can tell he put a lot of time and effort in all of these themes, and now there is a Zombie Cal theme, and it's a whole theme. Literally, I just think it's one of the coolest things ever, and it's not just because of the theme. I'm flattered. It came out phenomenal, and I can't wait to show you guys why. But it's the features in the theme. It's like tailored for war driving. It's like the ultimate war driving theme. Let me explain. Recently on the channel, I've wanted to give more emphasis on the developers within the community because without them, none of this stuff would be possible. And I spend a lot of my time just testing different types of hardware and custom firmware within the community to better help and, you know, give the devs analytic data to analyze all across the board. Telling them where crashes lie, what could be, you know, made better, what could be tweaked just a little bit, and it's been going pretty good. I want the channel to be an outlet for devs, and today's video was not supposed to be about this. This is honestly unexpected, but this video is dedicated to Zombie Joe. Zombie Joe, you are a legend, my friend. If you guys have not seen the zombie themes for the Hak5 Pineapple Pager, they are beautiful to say the least. Let me show you guys why the Zombie Cal theme is as cool as I think it is. Alright, so here we have the Zombie Cal payload. I've just booted it up. I'm going to show you guys the booting animations in a second, but the first tab we have here is dedicated to war driving. As some of you guys might know, I war drive a lot, and I'm testing out different war drivers and different war driving firmware by other people in the community. But the fact that the first thing is war driving is insane. And inside, we can turn Wigle mode on and off. We can restart the GPS directly from this first tab. We can select between 2.45 and 6 gigahertz, the option to turn handshakes on and off, the option to turn background audio on and off. Let's see if I can turn that on and you guys can hear that or not. Hold on. That's awesome. I keep Recon audio on, especially when I'm looking through APs, just because I like to you know, have audio feedback of like what's around me as well. And we can turn save Recon DB on and off, record PCAP on and off. We can change the baud rate of the GPS as well as the GPS, and having this, and the ability to restart the GPS straight into one tab is amazing. The only thing that I would love for this to have as well is, what is it, like the external MediaTek loader payload, which I use a lot with an external antenna on the Pineapple Pager. So this is just the war driving tab, and it's phenomenal as it is. Here we have alerts. I turn off my alerts because it bogs down my pager when I'm getting different alerts while I'm driving. Payloads, of course, and this is, oh my god, it looks fun. Just everything about this looks great. The external MediaTek loader. This is the payload that I use almost every single day when I get in the car, and I use this payload so I can activate the alpha tri-band adapters that I'm using, or the dual band adapters, depending what I'm using. I think recently it's been 4 adapters, but I feel like we could up that to 5, see how far we can push the Pineapple Pager itself. And I do have a lot of payloads by like Halehound and Hackazilla Rex, and a lot of awesome developers such as Energy Labs. I'll be going over each and every one of these devs very, very soon. Then we have Recon, and I love what he's done in the Recon tab. It's all white and black, like simply colorful, not that not what it looks like in like the other themes, for example, like War Games and the, what is it called? The Radar theme. That's the one I had beforehand. And this just looks amazing, man. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, we can go over here and we can still play with all of that. And it just, everything about this looks phenomenal. Pine AP, black, white, and gold. I'm still in awe at this, man. This just looks crazy. We can go to settings. Everything is, everything is just perfect, man. Now, let me show you what happens when we launch a payload. Let's go to exfiltration. Oh my God, I just missed it. Let me go back. Payloads. Exfiltration. Dude, he has me in the corner waving at you. What is going on here? Why do I got a full beard? Hey man, I'm okay with that. And it's got my background? What? Dude, it's got the back. This man did a great job. I'm at a loss for words. 10 out of 10. That's beautiful. See what happens when we launch the payload? Oh yeah, the background for the payloads look great as well. Huh. Why am I? Oh, I accidentally logged out of Wigle. God, man. I gotta do that later. But let me show you guys what happens when you boot it on. So we are gonna turn it on now. It does take a second to boot, but let me show you the animations.
5 minutes later.
So this is the theme. This is the startup for the theme. It says, oh my, it has the Valleytech motto right there, dude. It says education, upgrades, and repairs. Oh my God, Zombie Joe, dude, I love you, man. Oh my God. 10 out of 10. I love your face, dude. I swear to God, guys, I haven't even messaged him yet. This is my message to you, Zombie Joe. You are an amazing human being. I love it, dude. I had a whole nother video planned today. I love your face, man. I swear to God, I love your face. If you guys want to check out the Zombie Cal theme, I would encourage you to, especially if you love war driving. Hopefully, we can get the external MediaTek loader payload in that Wardriving tab. But Zombie Joe, man, thank you so much. I love it. It's beautiful. And you are an amazing human being. You have a phenomenal day. All of you guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We also just got a YouTube plaque in the mail. So thank you guys so much for the love and support. I can't thank you guys enough, truly. You guys are amazing. We'll see you next time.